Keeping your home spotless shouldn't be stressful, especially when the right cleaning tool works efficiently every single day. In this guide, best home vacuum cleaner solutions are explored to help you choose powerful performance for healthier floors and easier living. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark NV360 Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark NV360 Vacuum Cleaner from Shark stands out as a dependable and versatile cleaning solution for modern households that demand both performance and convenience. Designed with powerful multi-surface suction, this vacuum handles everything from thick carpets to smooth hardwood floors with impressive consistency. Its lift-away functionality is one of its biggest strengths, allowing users to detach the main pod and easily clean under furniture, along staircases, or on upholstery without struggling with bulky equipment. This flexibility makes it ideal for homes with multiple levels or hard-to-reach spaces. Another major highlight is Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology combined with a HEPA filter. This system effectively traps dust, pollen, and microscopic allergens inside the vacuum, preventing them from escaping back into the air. For families with allergy concerns or pets, this feature adds significant value by helping maintain healthier indoor air quality. The included pet hair attachments further enhance its appeal, making it simple to remove stubborn fur from sofas, rugs, and car interiors. Maneuverability is another strong point. Thanks to swivel steering, the NV360 glides smoothly around corners, furniture legs, and tight spaces, reducing physical strain during longer cleaning sessions. Number 2. Bissell 200-Watt Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell 200-watt vacuum cleaner from Bissell is designed for users who prioritize cordless convenience and multi-purpose functionality. Powered by a 200-watt motor, this vacuum provides reliable suction, capable of handling dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair across different floor types. Its cordless design allows unrestricted movement, making it ideal for quick cleanups and larger spaces where outlets may be inconvenient. With up to 40 minutes of runtime in low mode and around 13 minutes in turbo mode, this vacuum offers flexible performance based on cleaning needs. Whether tackling light daily dust or deep cleaning carpets, users can adjust the power level to balance suction and battery life. The tangle-free brush roll is particularly valuable for pet owners, as it minimizes hair wrap and reduces maintenance time. One of its most appealing features is 3-in-1 versatility. It easily transforms between a stick vacuum, handheld unit, and high-reach cleaner, making it suitable for floors, furniture, curtains, and even car interiors. The self-standing design adds further convenience, allowing users to pause cleaning without leaning the vacuum against walls or furniture. Number 3. Bissell Multi-Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Multi-Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner produced by Bissell combines powerful cleaning performance with a socially responsible mission. Through its support of the Bissell Pet Foundation, every purchase contributes to helping homeless pets, making this model appealing to animal lovers who want their buying decisions to have a positive impact. Equipped with advanced multi-cyclonic technology, this vacuum maintains strong and consistent suction by separating dust and debris efficiently. This system prevents clogging and ensures reliable airflow, even during longer cleaning sessions. The triple-action brush roll further enhances performance by loosening, lifting, and removing embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The 2024 model introduces an active extension wand, making it easier to reach high shelves, ceilings, and tight corners without additional tools. This feature significantly improves usability for whole home cleaning. Combined with swivel steering, the vacuum offers excellent maneuverability, allowing users to navigate smoothly around furniture and narrow spaces. Pet owners will particularly appreciate how effectively this vacuum removes fur from upholstery and carpets. Its strong suction and brush system work together to minimize leftover hair and dander. The dust container is easy to empty, reducing mess and saving time during maintenance. Number 4. Uosogi 650-Watt Vacuum Cleaner.
The Uosogi 650-watt vacuum cleaner from Uosogi represents a high-performance cordless solution designed for users who demand maximum suction and extended runtime. Powered by a robust 650-watt motor, this vacuum delivers impressive suction up to 55 kPa, making it capable of handling deep-seated dust, large debris, and stubborn pet hair with ease. One of its standout features is the innovative Hurricane mode, which boosts suction up to 60 kPa when activated. This mode is ideal for heavily soiled carpets and high-traffic areas that require extra cleaning power. With 3 standard power modes and a 4th turbo option, users can easily adapt performance to different surfaces and cleaning needs. Battery life is another major advantage. The 8-cell 2800 mAh battery pack provides up to 70 minutes of runtime, allowing users to clean large homes in a single session. The wall-mounted charging dock adds convenience by recharging the vacuum while keeping accessories organized and accessible. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush is especially useful for pet owners. Its integrated comb tooth design actively prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, reducing maintenance. Additional side brushes with wide rotation and 6 bright LED lights ensure thorough cleaning under furniture and in dark corners.
Number 5. Eureka NEU 181A Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka NEU 181A vacuum cleaner from Eureka is designed for users who want strong cleaning power in a lightweight, easy-to-handle package. Weighing only about 10 pounds, this upright vacuum is simple to carry upstairs and move between rooms, making it especially suitable for multi-level homes. Despite its lightweight design, the NEU 181A delivers impressive performance through its 960-watt motor. This motor generates consistent suction across various surfaces, including hardwood, tile, area rugs, and wall-to-wall carpeting. Users can transition between floor types without losing efficiency, ensuring reliable cleaning throughout the home. One of its most practical features is the extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup. This generous capacity reduces the frequency of emptying, allowing for longer uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The flip-to-empty system makes disposal quick and mess-free, eliminating the need for bags and lowering ongoing maintenance costs. The vacuum's upright design provides good stability, while its wide cleaning path helps cover more area in less time. Maneuverability is smooth, and the handle design offers comfortable grip for extended use. Although it lacks advanced digital features, its straightforward operation appeals to users who prefer simple, reliable equipment.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.